Security forces, Army, ITBP, NDRF and SDRF are battling extreme conditions in Uttarakhand's flood-hit regions. The flash flood struck deep, steep, narrow Himalayan valleys like Dharali and Harsil, where thick mud boulders debris have blocked access to routes, buried areas of villages altogether. Roads, including the critical Dharali approach, are broken, cutting off ground connectivity. Persistent poor weather, thick fog, rain have severely hampered visibility, grounding helicopters and slowing down foot operations. In spite of deploying two Mi-17s and two Chinooks from Sarsawa and Chandigarh, aerial rescue has been limited. NDRF teams couldn't fly out of Dehradun due to a cloud cover there. To make matters worse, dense cloud accumulation is expected to continue for the next 2 to 3 days, threatening more rain, making rescue work even more difficult and even more dangerous. Rescuers are racing against time and weather. Pictures are, in fact, of the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami doing an aerial survey of the worst hit areas. As you can see, water has filled up whichever regions we are looking at this point in time. These are pictures coming in of the Chief Minister taking stock of the situation. Things are very difficult with hundreds missing. Many feared dead, including army personnel who've also gone missing. Unprecedented cloudburst within a span of 3 hours. On Tuesday afternoon, yesterday, unleashing horror. Catastrophic flash floods in the Dharali region of Uttar Kashi. Hundreds are missing. 9 army personnel, including a massive joint rescue operation by relief teams, the Indian Army, the NDRF, the SDRF, the ITBP, all of them at it together to save as many lives as possible. But as we mentioned earlier, the rescue work is extremely difficult given the weather conditions and the manner in which the main roads have been cut off. The cloudburst triggering a flash flood of unprecedented intensity, leading to a terrifying wave of water, mud and rocks hurtling towards the Dharali village. Eyewitnesses have described scenes of terror with deluge of water combined with mud surged towards the village, prompting screams of panic. Those horrific pictures that had gone completely viral. What you see on your screens right now is just an idea, getting a glimpse of the manner in which the roads have been completely affected, rendered unusable for connectivity, making it difficult for rescue teams to reach the location. And hence, work is being done, at least through aerial rescue work is being done at this point in time. That too is limited because of the bad weather conditions in this region. Another cloudburst had occurred at a Suki top, leading to the formation of a lake near the army camp yesterday. Several villages have been threatened and the disaster and rescue operations work is underway. Right now we have pictures of Pushkar Singh Dhami, the Chief Minister, taking stock of the situation.